Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create Sam Manson from Danny Phatnom on Dress to Impress. No, actually I did use VIP for the bracelets, but other than that, I did not use VIP. Let's get started with the video. I am just going to remove everything except for the hair, as per usual. I used this bob in black, and then this hair in black, I did like the smallest adjustments ever, Z.49, and scaled it down to 0.38. Then I used this bob in black too, position it at Y.47, Z.49, and scale it down to 0.55. For the fit, I did use a currency item, and I'm just going to color it this purple in silk and in black. Then for the skirt, I'm going to be using this in this pattern, and then the rest in a black color. Then I am going to use this one in purple in silk. Then I'm going to use these boots here in the longer toggle, in black and gray, and in silk, maybe metallic even, and black. Then I just use these for the bracelets, but you can use any bracelets outside of VIP if you don't have this. I just like it because it's on both sides of the arm. So I think I'm just going to color in that purple instead of just all black. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.